Do you think when people go through something difficult and they're that much more resilient for having gone through it, that there's a difference that happens in your perspective of what are hard things?
For me, yes, absolutely. It helps with determination. Oh, yes, I'm going to be able to do this. Also, the finding other people like me was important, and it was important that I was alone for so long that I want to give back. That's why I created peer support groups, is I don't want other parents to feel like I felt.
It's still relatively new for me, having happened like a year ago, and I do think that in the long run it's gonna help. Things are gonna get hard again because that's just the cycle of life, and we'll be able to look back and say, well, we've been through this already. There's no reason why we can't overcome this obstacle now. It's almost as I guess your own personal resource for the future.